Welcome to even and odd presentation. We prefer to start with even number. Put the indicator between the two columns of counters of any even number. Pointing to the number 8 written on the card, ask the child, "What is this?" The child may say 8. Ask the child by pointing the counters, "How many counters are there on this side of the indicator?" Child will count and say 4. Now pointing to the other side of the indicator, ask the child, "How many counters are there on this side of indicator?" The child may count and say 4. Say to the child, "So we have equal numbers of counters on both sides, so 8 is an even number." Similarly, take some other number, example 6, and repeat the same activity. Six. How many counters are there? 1, 2, 3. The other side, 1, 2, 3. So we have equal numbers of counters on both the sides. So 6 is an even number. Next, take some odd number, example 9. Put the indicator between two columns pointing to the number written on the card. Ask the child, "What is this?" The child may say 9. Pointing to the counters, ask the child, "How many counters are there in this side of the indicator?" The child may count and say 5. Pointing to the counters on other side of the indicator, ask the child, "How many counters are there in this?" The child may count and say 4. Say to the child, "So the counters on both sides are not equal, so 9 is an odd number." Similarly, we can do it for a couple of numbers at random for the child to get the concept of even and odd. 5. How many counters are there this side? 1, 2, 3. How many counters are there in this side? 1, 2. The counters on both sides are not equal, so 5 is an odd number. The second period, we give commands around even and odd. Now, indicator is not required, so we'll place it on the mat. Ask the child, "Can you show me an even number?" The child may show you an even number, that is 6. Show me an odd number. The child may show you an odd number, that is 5. The second period can be continued till it holds the interest of the child. The longer the second period, the better is the consolidation. Can you show me even number? Child may show you 4. Can you show me odd number? The child may show you 9. The third period, we are going to ask the child, "What is this number?" The child may say 6 is an even number. "What is this?" The child may say 9 is an odd number. "What is this?" The child may say 4 is an even number. "What is this?" The child may say 7 is an odd number. If the child asks about 1, say it is just 1. Thank you.